Hello everyone, welcome to Krakow video series. This is an important update on the XAT 2023 answer key. So the XAT 2023 official answer key has been released today. To check out the official answer key, you need to visit the official website of XAT, that is xatonline.in. So visit the page, log in with your credentials, and once you log in, you can visit the XAT response sheet, admit card and the answer key tab. So to check and download your response and the official answer key, you will be redirected to a tab where you have to enter your XAT registration ID and also your date of birth. Once you enter that, you will be able to download the official answer key. And once you have downloaded the file, you can check your XAT score based on the official XAT 2023 answer key. So all you have to do is visit krakow.in/XAT score calculator. The link for the same is provided in the description box below. So just click on it. And once you visit this page, you can check out the instructions here to check your XAT 2023 score. So as mentioned earlier, log into the XAT website, click on the candidate response. You will be taken to the response and official key page. You just need to copy the page address of the new window that opened, paste the link in the enter file URL, that is the space provided right here, and then simply click on the submit button. And once you click on submit, you can check out your XAT 2023 score based on the official XAT answer key. So your sectional and the cumulative scores will be displayed based on the official answer key. Also, once you click on submit, you can check your score, and also you can check out the XAT 2023 toppers list, which is based on the responses we received. Also, if you're aiming for other MBA exams such as CMAT, SRC CGPO, TISNET and MHCET, please do check out our crash courses for the same. The links to these crash courses are provided in the description box below. If you have any other doubts regarding the XAT key or the XAT score calculator or any other MBA exams, please do post your queries on our student discussion forum Krakow Adda and get your queries answered by the experts immediately. You'll also be notified once your query is answered. Thank you so much guys, and all the best.